with the mustache. You know me, gang, gang. You chilling with the mustache. You chilling with the mustache. Right now you are chilling with the mustache. Show mommy.
Hello guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. It's Doris here as always, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and to my old subscribers, thank you for the love, for the support, for everything you get to do for me on this channel. I really appreciate it. Please guys, if you're watching this video and you're yet to subscribe, please just take a few seconds to click on the red subscribe button down below, and then after clicking on the button, a bell icon is going to appear. Please click on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I get to post a new video. So guys, as you can see from the title of today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys the best jollof rice recipe on YouTube, tested and trusted. I've been on YouTube for a very long time and I've been trying different recipes, but this particular recipe, it beats my expectations. Like, I did not believe it. Before now, I used to say if I don't use firewood to cook jollof rice, I don't get that party taste, that jollof taste, that, oh god, I used to like that very unique taste, and I was like, I cannot get it with gas or stove, it has to be with firewood. But then I came across this particular channel and I was like, let me try the recipe. Even going through it, I was like, it's strange. Like, there's a particular process where you have to, after blending your tomatoes, pepper, shumbo, onion and every other thing, after blending it, you put it on your gas to dry up. Then while it's drying up, you fry your tomatoes paste and then turn inside. And I was like, how is it going to taste? It's going to be somehow. But I said, no, I'm going to follow this process step by step. Like, I'm not skipping any part, I'm not leaving any part out. And I decided to do it the way she listed it, the procedure she gave. And guys, guess what? Just guess what happened. I know you guys will know already from the title, but to say it's the best is an understatement. Like, it's fantabulous. If there's any other word, any other statement to quantify how I feel right now, I would give to her like 10 over 10. She killed it. 10 over 10. No, you guys should head over to our channel right now. If you're looking for that authentic party jollof rice taste, just head over to our channel, follow the step-by-step recipes, and I'm sure you're going to get amazing results. Like, this is tested and trusted. The day I prepared it, I could not believe the scent, the taste, everything. Even it lasted for 3 days and it was still the same way. You know, the taste did not change. It was even sweeter, and I was like, wow. So I can get to achieve jollof rice that is this nice, with this taste, with this scent, with my gas. It's unbelievable. Like, I was so glad, I was so happy I was able to achieve it. So the person I'm talking about is no other person but Sisi Jemimah. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. I think it's Sisi Jemimah. Guys, I'm going to leave the link to her channel down below in the description box, and I'm also going to leave the link to the jollof rice recipe down below in the description box. So just click on it and it will take you straight to her channel. I can assure you guys that you are not going to regret it. And funny enough, there's no special ingredient that she got to use that you say is very hard to find. They are all easy to get ingredients. So just try it if you are looking for the best. As particular recipe is a lifesaver. No need sorting the internet, going different places to source for the best jollof rice recipes, of which you try this one, and at the end it gives you rubbish. This one is tested and trusted. I'm not saying others online they are not good, they are all nice, but this one beats them all for me. We are all entitled to our own opinion, and for me, my own opinion is that hers is the best so far. Of all the recipes I've tried online on YouTube, her own is the best. So guys, just head over to Sisi Jemimah'S channel. I'm going to leave the link. I'm leaving her out. I think I'll also leave the name of her channel on the screen, while I'll leave the link to her videos down in the description box. Go and try it and then come back to tell me how you feel. I know you're going to love it, guys. So I just said, let me drop this here. Thank you so much. I think I'm going to insert a clip of my jollof rice and even maybe a video of when I was eating it. It was fantabulous. It was fantastic. I never expected it. Thank you so much, Sisi Jemimah. I really appreciate it. Thank you for what you do for the YouTube community, and I hope you guys are going to love it. I know you guys will love it. There's no two ways about it. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching. If at the end of this video you like it, please give it a huge thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share with friends. I'll really appreciate it. And then I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.